What is a vampire battery drain on a Tesla? Your Tesla loses range when parked, caused by something called vampire battery drain or just vampire drain. This can vary from a few miles per day to quite significant amounts depending on the settings in the car, and can be a problem if leaving your car while on holiday. Your Tesla never completely goes to sleep. It contains lots of computer systems that do various functions, from monitoring the health of the battery, being ready to open the doors when you walk up to the car. Most of the time this isn't really a problem, as the loss is relatively small over a short period of time. Vampire drain can be significant if you park the Tesla over the course of a year. Where the issue is most noticeable is when leaving the car at an airport, when going off on a 2-week vacation. The wrong settings could mean you return to a flat battery. This has also become more of a problem with the introduction of features like Sentry Mode and the increased number of third-party applications that may keep pinging the car and are not good at respecting the car going to sleep.